Welcome back. Roads are the arteries of our civilization, and today, they are evolving faster than ever. From unique engineering solutions for tackling massive traffic jams to futuristic robots that handle road markings autonomously, we've gathered the most incredible road innovations of the 21st century. These technologies aren't just cool gadgets, they're designed to make our travel safer and more efficient. Let's dive in. The Hercules barrier safety begins where the margin for error ends. The Hercules barrier was specifically engineered to absorb maximum impact in high-risk accident zones. While the crash tests look brutal, the results are nothing short of a miracle. Picture a heavy vehicle slamming into it at 62 miles per hour. Instead of crumpling like a soda can, the barrier structure dissipates the energy, shielding the passengers. It's a sophisticated engineering marvel designed to save lives. Runaway Truck Sand Ramps, a vehicle with failed brakes, is a lethal threat, especially when it's a multi-ton semi-truck on a steep mountain grade. For these critical moments, engineers designed runaway truck ramps. These are specialized lanes filled with deep sand or gravel. When a truck enters the trap, the friction from the sand immediately kills the momentum, bringing the massive vehicle to a soft stop and preventing it from veering into oncoming traffic. The mobile bridge Switzerland road repairs are usually a nightmare for drivers due to closed lanes. However, Switzerland came up with a genius solution: the mobile bridge. This massive temporary structure is assembled directly over the area being repaired. Traffic simply flows over the top, and drivers often don't even realize that crews are busy replacing pavement or fixing utilities right beneath them. This allows for 24/7 maintenance without creating a single traffic jam. Pneumatic rescue airbags. Canada, riding an overturned semi-truck is a Herculean task that requires precision. Teams in Canada have pioneered the use of pneumatic airbags for these recoveries. Instead of dragging the truck with heavy steel cables, which often causes more damage, specialized bags are placed under the chassis and slowly inflated with air. This gently lifts and flips the truck back onto its wheels, minimizing structural damage and preventing further loss of cargo. Giant saws and trenchers. If you thought you'd seen big tools, check these out. These giant, diamond-tip saws are used for laying underground utilities and dismantling old infrastructure. This power can cut through anything from ultra-high-strength reinforced concrete to entire bridge sections. Despite their massive size, they offer surgical precision, which is critical when building modern interchanges in cramped urban environments. Roller barriers. Traditional guardrails have saved millions of lives, but the tech is evolving. Enter roller barriers. In the event of an accident or a glancing blow, the car doesn't just smash into a wall, it literally rolls along the barrier on rotating cylinders. This redirects the impact energy forward rather than sideways, significantly reducing the risk of a rollover and protecting the occupants from severe trauma. Smart manhole repair. Traditional manhole repairs are slow, noisy, and often don't last. A new method using circular cutting devices is changing the game. Research shows that a circular cut uses 20% less asphalt and dramatically increases the lifespan of the surrounding pavement. It's like a surgical procedure for the road: fast, precise, and built to last. Tunnel fire suppression systems. In a road tunnel, fire is the ultimate nightmare scenario. Smoke spreads instantly, and evacuation is incredibly difficult. Luckily, modern tunnels are equipped with automated fire suppression systems. Sensors detect the slightest hint of smoke, and powerful nozzles douse the flames before first responders even arrive. This saves precious minutes that ultimately save lives. Mobile zipper barriers. Traffic patterns change throughout the day. Everyone heads downtown in the morning and back to the suburbs in the evening. To keep highways moving efficiently, engineers use mobile zipper barriers. A specialized machine drives over the road and literally re-zips concrete blocks, shifting the median and adding lanes in the direction of peak travel. This provides instant relief for rush hour congestion. 3D printed roads and sidewalks. You can now 3D print an entire road. While the process is incredibly satisfying to watch, its real value lies in efficiency. It's faster, more eco-friendly than traditional paving, and offers nearly unlimited design and texture possibilities. Most importantly, the quality is just as durable as standard asphalt. High-strength stop nets. Unlike concrete blocks that can turn a vehicle into a wreck, stop nets work like a giant catcher's mitt, made from high-strength fibers. These nets can stop a speeding semi-truck by distributing the load evenly across the structure. The damage to the vehicle is kept to a minimum, and the driver's chance of walking away unscathed is much higher. E-Highways Germany, the future of trucking is electric. Germany is already testing segments of the Autobahn equipped with overhead contact lines, similar to those used by trolleys. Trucks equipped with pantographs connect to the grid while driving at full speed, charging their batteries and saving fuel. This makes long-haul logistics cleaner and much more cost-effective. The Nanpu Spiral Bridge, Shanghai. We wrap up our list with a true masterpiece. The Nanpu Bridge, completed in 1991, is still a sight to behold. Its unique spiral design wasn't just an architect's whim, it was a functional necessity to save space in the densely populated heart of Shanghai. Over 120,000 vehicles cross it every single day, and at night, its illumination turns the bridge into one of the most mesmerizing landmarks on Earth. I also recommend immersing yourself in the world of shocking true stories and gripping historical documentaries. This playlist features stories about unusual historical events, legendary figures, unknown tribes, and dark secrets from around the world. If you enjoy true history and crime, stories with unexpected twists, this collection is for you. Get ready for hours of viewing,